All right. Hello and welcome to the last chapter of the F1 little tie-in game, whatever you want to call it. Abu Dhabi. If I remember correctly, something happens in this. I don't know. It all comes to this. With Apex GP future on the line, Sonny Hayes and Joshua Pierce will have to work together and employ every strategy they can to muster to have any hope of securing a place in motorsport history.
Hayes exit the pits. He had to come in because of that damage to his tyre. But what of Joshua Pierce? Where do Apex GP go with him?
Guys, I'm unboxing. What's the plan?
Plan C, stay out.
Chaos.
Copy that.
Joshua slows down the leaders for Sonny. Sonny does the same for him.
Pierce stays out. It's a strategy that Apex have used before this season. It helps them with track position for now, but they've got to keep these tyres alive.
Light work. Easy. Eight seconds, Jesus. And my wheel just cut. Are we gonna be able to get a 2-for-1? My seat on real quick, you know? Oh, that was very dirty. I might have to give that back. Talk about a camera shot. Look at that. Isn't that sick? 3 cars wide. Why does it look like they're floating? Shadows are ass. Gotta break later. Easy. Locked in. Locked in. Locked in. Locked in. Why did I go in that with overtake on? No wonder I messed that corner up. Oh, I'm getting too eager, bro. I need to chill. Come on. Right here. And we get DRS. Let's go. I was already on that. So on it, and even hear a beep. No way. No way Hamilton is in first. I never peeped that. I wonder if it's gonna show the one scene. You don't know what scene I'm talking about, but I do. I'm gonna just keep it to myself. Right here?
Okay, so we leave.
George Russell on the attack. Hayes looking to defend through the left hand, and they go. And there's contact. Hayes is spun round into the barrier. That's a big one.
Yeah, no.
There's debris all over the racetrack and substantial damage to the barriers. The stewards have no choice but to red flag this race.
Yep.
Miracle.
And speaking of damage, Martin, Hayes will only be allowed to continue in this race if he can get his car all the way around the circuit and back to the pit lane.
Sonny, can you get it back?
I'll get it back. I'll get it back if I have to push it back.
Come on, Sonny. Nice and easy.
He's still going. He's still going. JP, red flag. Red flag.
I never noticed a T-Mobile sponsor
Alive, hermano.
on the head. That's cool.
Red flag!
And somehow, Sonny Hayes has got his car back to the pit lane.
It's a miracle. I know. Never seen one until now.
Home free. Good girl. Let's go.
New softs, both cars raise the tire pressure for 3 quick laps.
Team, time to build a car.
I better be on softs. Ooh, the lockup. Pretty sure I'm gonna be Piers. Oh, I'm Sonny?
It's all or nothing.
Sonny
Sonny.
wins?
Push.
I thought it was Piers. See, hey, I said I didn't pay attention to that movie. I was way too busy getting shots and just being excited about the sounds and just being there. Much better. Let's go on a hot lap, shall we?
Gap to the car ahead, 1.5 seconds. The distance to the leader, 2.1 seconds.
2.1 seconds is what I need to trim. And it's already down to 1.5. Yeah, that's easy. God, overtake is quick. I gotta catch the DRS train. Let me hop aboard. Yes! Come on. I want to give it back, but it's also just take it. I don't want to, I don't want to overtake dirty.
Okay, gap to leader, 0.9 seconds.
One or two quick little is funny, but doing it on every overtake, nah, bro, that's kind of alright, dude. Chill, Alright, Hammy, me and you, and Britt. I was looking at my wheel. Fucked up. Oh my god, it's gonna come down to the last lap.
Okay, this is your final lap of the race. Gap to your teammate behind, 7.1 seconds.
Come on. I'm on it.
Okay, so gap to the leader, 0.9 seconds.
DRS and overtake, that's game. That is game. I got one last opportunity. Right here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I really did not mean to overtake him like that. I kind of want to reset. Nah, I want to reset. I can't. I can't reset. Damn. It was like it's the last corner. It's the last lap. Whatever. Whatever. And an F1 cutscene. Great. That'll be it. Nah. They should have just shown scenes from the movie. It's supposed to be a helmet. What is this? So you have Joshua's. Bro, did I get cheated? You're supposed to get Sonny's helmet. Maybe it's in my mail? There it is. Alright, here it is. This is what we basically grinded for. Worth it. I don't know. My opinion, I like this helmet more than this one. I like the carbon and the gold on here. But I don't like the cursive writing that's on the side of this one. I don't know. This one is more kind of like, you know, clean, and this is just, you're trying to be too fancy. I don't know. And then also I don't like the fat 9 that's on Pierce's helmet. I don't like that. But yeah, now we just gotta get a suit to match it. It's really stupid that you can have the Apex GP helmets, but you can't have the Apex GP suits. Like, okay, so you give us one but not the other? I'm not even gonna make a suit. That's all. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I really enjoyed doing this. Maybe I'll get back into going live and playing F1 again. But just putting this out there for whoever. Deuce.
And then we have our lovely assistant. Look at him. He's got his zip ties and he's got his little tool. How's this angle looking?
Trying to think of something funny to do. I don't got nothing. What are you still doing here? Bye.